It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. Happy New Year again. You know it. I gotta do that. I'm probably just gonna say Happy New Year like for the rest of the week or the rest of the month. I don't know. Just depends on how I feel, I guess. Hope you guys doing well this morning, or actually afternoon where I am. Kind of a late video, but today we're talking about market cap, people. There's an article that I want to read. I found this article. We'll go through it. But first, let's take a look at that market cap. We're sitting at $771 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 32.6%. I think that may be a low or near a low. I've never seen it that low before that I can recall. But we'll see. I'll check into that. But yeah, we're looking good. A lot of the altcoins and tokens are looking very good. This market cap is big. Is really getting up there near a trillion. I know I did a video or either a tweet. I couldn't find the tweet, so it had to have been in a video where I said I believe that Bitcoin's or the total market cap for cryptocurrencies will be above $1 trillion by February. So I think we're on pace for that for sure. So let's see what happens. But as I've told you guys before, with Ethereum, we're sitting at nearly at almost 1,100. We're 1034 per token for Ethereum, and I think personally, guys, this rise in Ethereum will only spill over. A portion of this rise will spill over into the tokens that sit on and reside on the Ethereum blockchain. So if I were in your position, this is not financial advice, but if I were in your position, I would be loading in on your favorite tokens right now ahead of that spillover. So boom, you'll be able to appreciate your portfolio. So let's take a look at this chart that I update. I'll leave the link to this chart in the description of this video so you guys can follow the chart and sign up on TradingView to follow me and follow my chart as you please. You don't have to wait for the videos, but will you look at that? Bitcoin on the hour chart has literally followed my line that I drew a couple days ago. This is amazing. So we did bounce again right off of Jupiter. It makes no sense. So we bounced off of Jupiter. We're heading back up. This trend line here I drew. I think. Let's see here. Let me just see something. So the only area that I see that we need to get above is this 15,600 area, 15,600. That's about right here. Once we get above that, we'll probably score a little point, or maybe not. Maybe we'll fail to score a point at that level, head back down to the trend line, and then head up to score the ultimate point, which is this one here at 16,600 area or 16,700, just depending on what exchange you're on. So a pennant could be forming here, a flag. Want to call it a flag, and usually when that happens, it'll build up tension in between here, and then finally break out to the upside. And that breakout probably will be pretty fast and accelerate us up to 17,900, 18,000, maybe have a pullback there, and then finally go for all-time highs again. So there you have it for an update on the Crypto Blood chart. Now on to the actual article that I found from Bitcoin.com. Title is total capitalization of the crypto markets now exceeds 750 billion. Indeed, my friends, indeed. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies has broken into new highs, with CoinMarketCap indicating that the market cap of the combined crypto markets is approximately 760 billion USD as of the time of writing. And that was 2 hours ago. We're at like almost 780 billion. Crazy. So the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies are now greater than, or is now greater than, that of Google. That's amazing, and it should be. I think that, just to pause here, I think, and I've said this before, my theory on cryptocurrencies and the entirety of its market capitalization will at some point represent total output of GDP for the globe. It will be a great indicator or index to gauge that, or be used at some point. I envision like economists using the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies to, figure out, use it in different economic models and so on and so forth. Like, man, we're in a very good position. Those of us who are in the crypto markets right now, but I think that we will see. I saw something that either Max Kaiser tweeted or Stacy, his wife, Stacy Herbert, tweeted. It was an article or a person, some analyst projected that Bitcoins or cryptocurrency total market capitalization will be at near 10 trillion, I think, by the end of 2018. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to go back and try to find that. But can you imagine Bitcoin, or cryptocurrencies, I should say, total market cap being 10 trillion? Man, like, can you imagine where like all these altcoins and tokens will be as far as pricing? All I can say is continue to secure those bags, people, because this will be a wealth transfer, and it already is for many of us. It's a wealth transfer that civilization, global civilization, has never seen. We've never seen this ever before. So make sure you guys load the boat. At the same time, those of us who are in, make sure you take profits, marginal, incremental profits along the way. Realize just a small portion of it. If it's 1, 2, 3%, make sure you realize some of that every quarter. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my strategy and how I do it, because you want to make sure you continually realize some of it. You don't want to have like in the .com era where you had millionaires and tens of millions in net worth, but it was all in paper. None of it really realized. So you want to make sure you just take incremental profit taking along the way to at least realize some of that profit, some of that hard-earned money, people. To continue with the article, it says here the market capitalization of the combined cryptocurrency markets has exceeded that of the second largest global company by market cap, Alphabet, which is Google. The market cap of Alphabet retraced to $650 billion last month, following a record high of $688 billion in November. Currently, the sole company with a total market capitalization larger than that of the combined crypto markets is Apple, which is crazy. Their market cap is $883 billion. So, we will definitely be past 883 billion. Hell, it may be before the week ends. But take a look at this here. Total market cap amazing, just parabolic. So we'll continue to go on in this fashion, I believe, for at least through 2018. That's kind of my forecast, and that kind of lines up with Clif High. I think 2019 we'll start to see some corrections and some slowdown in the growth of cryptocurrencies. That's just my opinion. That's just kind of my gut feeling. So the article goes on to say here, the $760 billion valuation makes the market cap of the cryptocurrency market larger than Switzerland's current GDP, which is the 19th largest in the world according to IMF data. Bitcoin's market cap is approximately $260 billion, having deflated from a record high of $320 billion witnessed last month. Bitcoin's total capitalization is currently larger than the annual GDP of the 44th largest economy, the Czech Republic. Since January of 2017, the market cap of Bitcoin has increased by nearly 1,500%, comprising its best performing calendar year in recent years. So it goes on to say here, Bitcoin's dominance establishes new all-time lows. I thought so. That's exactly. I knew it had to be near it or definitely lower than the lowest point prior to this day. So it says here, despite Bitcoin's immense growth last year, speculation regarding the potential imminence of a flipping has pervaded heading into 2018. As of this writing, the dominance of Bitcoin is sitting at a historic low of just 34%. And if you guys recall, we were just looking at it, actually is lower than that. We're at 32% dominance now. So it's moving fast, people. And the article finishes up by saying that Ethereum was frequently touted as the altcoin most likely to supersede Bitcoin's dominance through 2017, with Ethereum's market dominance peaking at 33.9% in June, at a time when Bitcoin's dominance was just 39.2%. The total market cap of Ethereum is currently sitting at an all-time high of nearly $92 billion, making such the third largest cryptocurrency by total capitalization. Bitcoin Cash currently has the fourth largest cap, bolstering more than $42 billion. So yeah, there you have it, people. Like, I want to know from you guys though, like, what do you feel this mean? What does this mean from a market sentiment perspective, that Bitcoin's dominance is at an all-time low, 32%. I've never seen it that low ever. I remember when Bitcoin's dominance was in the 90s. Years back, you would go to CoinMarketCap, it would be like, I don't even know if there were 100 coins at that point. We didn't have paginations of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pages of cryptos. But what do you feel this means for the market? Like, I personally feel like, because Core is dragging their feet with certain things and upgrading and staying ahead of the curve with growth and scaling, that Bitcoin will continue to become valuable. It will continue to appreciate in value. I'm not saying it won't, but it will become more of a speculative coin, because there will be less and less utility for it. You won't be able to pay for anything with it if they don't get their act together. And I know they say they're working on things, but we'll see. Actions are greater than talking. So I know they're working on stuff, but a lot of these companies are really moving at a fast pace. And I think more and more people are realizing that. That's why you're seeing allocation of capital heading more into the Ethereums, the Cardanos, the Neo, EOS, all these great projects. And from a coin perspective, you've got Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, Ripple. Even though I don't like Ripple at all, these projects are moving at a fast pace. So that's current, like that's really my perspective on it. I would love to know what you guys think. Do you agree, disagree? Give me your thoughts on Bitcoin dominance hitting the all-time low and the total market cap hitting $1 trillion. When do you guys see it happening? I thought last week I said I came out and again and said I think by February, and we're definitely on pace for that. Yeah, let me know when do we hit. Let me know also in the comments below. I want to do this. When do you think we'll hit 10 trillion? That's what I want to know. $10 trillion market cap for all of crypto. Let me know what you guys think about that, and be a fun discussion to have. I will leave the link to that trading view chart in the description of this video as well. I'll also leave the link to the Webbot chat room that you see to your right, my left. Make sure you guys join. Chat with me. We got over almost 4,000 members all together throughout all 4 rooms, and we're having a great time. Make sure you come and join us, and definitely like and subscribe. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out. Holla.